This conference will now be recorded.
So I hope you guys have joined, right? Okay, let's start then. So today, first I will show you how you can create your TradingView account, because this is very important. You must have your TradingView account before start trading, because in beginning I always recommend you should go with the paper trading, then only you go with the real trading. Okay. So first what you have to do, just type the TradingView right in the Google, just Google it, and you will see TradingView will be opened for you. Let me click on this. If some of you is not getting English, because some people are speaking pure Hindi, they might interrupt me in the chat and I would be explaining the same thing in Hindi, right? Okay. So here you can see I'm in the trading view. Okay, so now let us create one account. So trading view is free, right? You can see this is a start with a free trial, and simply click on sign in. Let me click on sign in over here, and it will simply ask you to click with the Google. I'm clicking with the Google. Okay, so this is a test account I am in. Okay, so because I have a premium trading view account with me, so this is just a test account to show you how I can create my account. And here it's asking for provide the name. So let's say you should provide your username or whatever you like to be your username. Let's say trading test, I'm giving any name. You can choose your photo, and later if you want you can upgrade it to the premium as well. Okay, so this, say this name is not available, right? So trading, uh okay, testing for free, something like that, whatever. That's it. It's not allowing it. Okay, let me try trading this 2021, right? 2021 batch. Okay, and this is batch 12. Click continue, and here we are. You can see this is the account has been opened, and this is completely free. So TradingView you can open. If you are a free user, you can open TradingView account. And there is investing.com as well. You can simply go and choose the investing.com as well. Anyway, let me first explain this TradingView, then I would be going with investing.com. And here you can see these are the default chart. You can see, okay, is showing over here. I hope you can see here Nifty is showing, because most of the people are from India. So you guys trade on Nifty, right? NSE, BSE. So NSE, BSE, right? All stocks you will able to find, and all globally stocks like crypto, forex, everything you can find in this TradingView. TradingView is a very wide platform, and here data is tick by tick, means the real time data we get here over here. Okay. Okay. So let me come over here and let me simply search some stocks. Let's say let me search one stock like Airtel, for example. This is one stock. Let me open just for a testing. I'm showing how you can open the stock. So simply search whatever the stock you like over here, and see it's opening Airtel over here, for example. And here we are in the trading panel. Okay, this is the chart panel, and you can see this stocks has been opened over here. You can see it is a daily chart. Okay, what this TradingView platform, let me completely explain it to you. Okay, then I would be explaining you the investing.com as well, because that is a free platform, this is a paid platform. The difference between both are completely, they are the same platform, but TradingView is much accurate, I can say. But this platform is paid one, though they give the trial but very limited access. So if you want to use indicator, some people use with a lot of indicator, then you can go with the investing.com, because that is free, because here you can't add more than 2 or 3 indicator, and that's the limitation of this platform. Okay, so here you can see this is the screen where you are going to watch the window. Simply click on the settings. I will show you from the scratch, and this is the color of the candles over here. So you can choose the colors whatever you like. Let's say I can choose, this is the bullish candle, for example. Let's say I'm choosing black one as the bearish candle, the bullish candle, and the bearish candle. Okay, so yep, bearish candle. Weeks you can select whatever color you like. Okay, let me select the black. Let me select the black. Okay, so that's it. This is one setting, so you can choose whatever color you like over here. Okay, I hope you're clear. Okay, then let me, any questions? Okay, you are asking me on the chat like how I changed the color. Okay, I will show you once again. Click on OK. What I did here, you can see, guys, all of you see, this is the trading view panel. Okay, this is the complete panel. Here you can see this is a setting button over here. Chart properties is showing up over here. I just simply clicked on the chart, and after this you can see this pop-up appeared. I hope you got your answer right. Now in the symbol, you can see in the symbol I got the option of the body. What is mean by body? The color of the body. Okay, what color body it should be. Okay, so bullish body I want, let's say this color. Bearish body I want this color, and the border, right, the same border color I applied. You can choose any. By default it's a green and red. Just it's your choice. Okay, so I just simply applied the color over here, and that's it. After this, what you need to do, no need to change anything. Go to scales, no need to change here in the appearance. Okay, just remove this grids. Okay, click on white over here, click on white over here. See, it's clear now, crystal clear. I hope you got it right. If you want watermark, the watermark will appear for the trade. Currently we don't need, because in the price action it's a globally applicable, right, concept. So watermark you can do. I am not doing this right away. Okay, trading events not required, and click on OK. Now see, you can't move the chart up and down, right? I can zoom in, zoom out, but I can't move up and down the charts, right? So how I can achieve this? Let me close this option away. Okay, so how I can achieve this? See, there is one arrow, right? See, when this pointer I'm keeping in the numbers, right? Here you can see the price 530, 560, and when I move up and down a bit, this screen is free. Now you can see it's moving up, right? I hope you are clear. So this much all of you should do before starting the trading. You must make sure you should do this. And in the beginning, right, when we start the trading in the beginning, I will suggest we will follow the daily time frame in the beginning first. Okay, because daily time frame is very important. Daily time frame will actually, it have not much fluctuation. First master yourself in the daily time frame, then we would be going in the 4 hour, then 1 hour, and slowly we would migrating to the 10 minute, 5 minute, and 1 minute chart for intraday trading. I hope you are clear with now. Okay, because most of you are the beginner and some of you are experienced, but since we are sitting here, right, because you might did some losses and you are not sure how the concept work. Okay, so this is the one thing. Similarly, let's say you want to search some other stock. Let's say for example Reliance, for example. These are the stocks, very popular stocks in NSE. Okay, okay. So Mr. Prabhat is asking, he is not getting what I told. Can I repeat in Hindi? Okay, okay, Prabhat ji. So I am telling you, see, ये ट्रेडिंग व्यू का प्लेटफॉर्म है, ठीक है। यहाँ पे इस प्लेटफॉर्म में हमें क्या करना है, हमें चार्ट देखना होता है, राइट। हाउ टू यूज दिस चार्ट। चार्ट का यूज क्या होता है कि हमें किसी भी पर्टिकुलर स्क्रिप्ट पे ट्रेड करना होता है। स्क्रिप्ट का मतलब होता है जैसे कि रिलायंस, ठीक है, ये एक स्क्रिप्ट है। ओके, हर चीज एक स्क्रिप्ट होती है, तो किसी भी स्क्रिप्ट पे हमें ट्रेडिंग करनी है तो हम क्या करते हैं, उसका चार्ट ओपन करते हैं। देन वहां पे जाके हमें पता चलता है कि वी शुड ट्रेड और नॉट, हमें ट्रेड करना चाहिए या नहीं। ओके, now you can see I just went to, मैं just login किया tradingview.com पे, and then here I have an option। हमें ऑप्शन मिल जाता है कि you can search the chart। आप चार्ट को सर्च कर सकते हैं, जैसे मैंने अभी रिलायंस ओपन करा है। फिर हम सेटिंग में जाते हैं और सेटिंग में जाने के बाद मैं क्या करता हूँ, कैंडल्स का कलर चेंज करता हूँ। आप बाय डिफॉल्ट रहने दे सकते हो या फिर आप चेंज भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है। अगर आप मेरी ट्रेनिंग फॉलो कर रहे हो अभी से तो यू कैन चेंज, आप चेंज कर सकते हो, अदरवाइज लीव इट एज इट इज। बस मेक श्योर एटलीस्ट आप अपीयरेंस में जाके इस ग्रिड लाइंस को हटा दें ताकि आप इसको देख पाए। तो अभी तक हमने इतना किया। आई होप यू आर क्लियर। इज इट क्लियर? ओके, थैंक यू। So I would be repeating in Hindi also. And meanwhile, if you guys not get, don't worry, because there are many people have different language, English, Hindi, both. Okay, so coming back, guys. Okay, okay. Guys, so let me come back to the point. So this is how you can open the chart over here. Okay, I hope you are clear how to open the chart. And now this is the first point. Let me explain you one by one. What is this? This is this place where you can type the script. Okay, let's say those who trade in cryptocurrencies, they can also search over here. See, this is a crypto, and we all know, right, this is a huge fall in the crypto. So the cryptocurrency you can search, for example, those who trade in commodities. Let's say let me talk about some like we all Indian users are there, right? So let's say gold mini you trade, right? So just go to the June contract currently. So see, this is the June contract. आप देख सकते हो June contract में ये है graph. Okay, and those who trade, they can use XAUUSD for the gold in the forex. So this is the chart. Actually, in gold and silver, the secret is, the secret is because I do trade in the gold and silver. मैं gold and silver में trade करता हूँ, and the secret is, the gold and silver, you should not follow the gold and silver chart from the Indian charts like gold mini and all, because these charts are actually followed by XAU. Make one day, this is a real chart, okay, from where our chart is being calculated. Okay, there actually the price is started going up, and that's the reason there is a boom. Okay, so this is the actual chart. Means if you are taking a trade just by seeing gold M chart, gold mini chart, and let's say silver chart directly from the Indian market, there will be a lot of confusion. Technical analysis will fail in most of the cases. So what I recommend every user, means all of the professional traders, what they do, they use this chart. Okay, for their trading. These are some secrets we will exploring when we do commodities as well. Apart from, let's say, GBP to USD, you can search currencies. GBP, sorry, GBP to USD, let's say forex. So GBP to USD, you can search over here. I hope you remember, guys, right? In the group I had shared uh, my views on GBP to USD and how to take the trade, right? Okay, now apart from this, GBP to INR. Okay, so you can see this is a GBP to INR chart. So all kind of chart you can see over here. Okay, how they are working. So this is the place. Okay, this is the panel, symbol search panel, where we are going to get all the scripts. Okay, जहाँ पे हमें सभी स्क्रिप्ट्स का पता चलता है. ओके, कोई भी स्क्रिप्ट आप ढूंढना चाहो यहाँ से सर्च कर सकते हो. वेरी सिंपल, राइट? Perfect. Now what next? After this, this is a time frame. See, guys, this is daily time frame, weekly time frame, monthly time frame. Okay, so time frame is also playing a very important role, actually, because time frame is something which actually shows your style of trading. If you are a swing trader, and if you are a professional, let's say a positional trader, you would be not watching 5 or 10 minutes of chart. You are watching these charts. Okay, so currently, don't worry about the time frames. Again, there is a huge controversy about the time frame. Which time frame should I use? And all this depends on what kind of trading you want. Okay, I would be coming to that later, but currently we are just focusing on the daily time frame. Okay, to understand the price action. Then I will explain you when multi time frame analysis. I will start that topic. Then I would be explaining you how we can do this analysis. Okay, on different time frame from top to bottom. Means we will analyze the same on the higher time frame, then slowly we will get on the lower time frame. Okay, we are clear, right? Perfect. Then this is the place it will show you what. So this is the one where you can change the time frame. Let's say one, let me once explain. This is a weekly time frame. Okay, of this. See, this is a weekly time frame. So in weekly time frame, it's up. Again, it's up or down. What, we will come to that. Okay, this is just a trading view first session. In this section I'm just trying to explain how to use trading view. Then in the upcoming session we are going to work on this platform only for the whole life, and we will be mastering that. Don't worry. So this is a weekly chart, this is a daily chart. Okay, and let's say the size is small, you can simply do like this and you can see the size is big. If you go here and okay, the second chart is only for premium user. Go to 15 minute. Say this is too small, right? Just do like this. Okay, so this is a 15-minute chart. Okay, so this is how you can keep on changing the time frame. If you again go to the higher time frame, it will look like this. Do like this. Okay, sorry. Yep. So I hope you are clear with this time frame. This is called the candles. Okay, what kind of candle you really want to see over here? So currently these are the candles. There are different style to see that. This is a bars. Bars are the older ways when we don't have this much of candles. Those moment of time people were using bars, but candle is the best thing to use because it give more information about the movements. Then there is a hollow candle. It's kind of same. You can see green means bullish candle, red means bearish candle. Okay. Then Heikanashi is there. Okay, Heikanashi is again a trimmed candle, I can say. It's means this candle is actually not the real candle, they are the trimmed candle. Let's say this is a downtrend. If I will go to the candles, possibly it is not continuous downtrend, rather it see some bullish moves came. So some people write, those who write indicators. Okay, so while writing their own indicator, when I will write my own indicator, I would try to write my indicator on Heikinashi rather than normal candles, because the Heikinashi writing indicators are easy. So you had seen, if you had used any indicators or paid indicator in the past, they mostly use Heikinashi. Okay, so Ravi Sharma says he used in past. Okay, it was the Heikinashi, yes, right. Okay, so yep. So this is the one thing. Then again we have line chart. Line chart is like same, means it's showing the movement in line. You can see it will give you a overall idea. See, line chart will in the quick shot it will tell you exactly what the price is doing. Okay, because in the candles when you go, when the candles you will go, might be as a beginner you're not able to see this thing, you will not able to see this thing. But if you are getting confused what the movement is, just click on the line chart, and line chart will tell you exactly. See, the price is like this, then this, then this, and it's kind of upward movement. Okay, area is also the same thing will shown with this gray color. Okay, so this is called area chart, not much difference. Okay, this is baseline chart. It will just try to show you above a base this is a bullish zone, below a base this is a bearish zone. Again we are not using this. Ranco, Ranco is also a chart, like some people also prefer to use Ranco. A Ranco chart also will give you some sort of different way to represent a movement. Okay, like Ranco will actually let's say here this candle, this Ranco candle, see, can you understand? One Ranco candle is nothing but equal to these many candles. So that Ranco candle, let me go back in the Ranco. So this Ranco candle, what it suggests, and let me remove this. 1 minute. Let me go to the Ranco. Let me remove this and see this Ranco candle. What this Ranco candle suggests? A Ranco candle says this is a bullish movement started, right? Just go here to the candles and see, this is the zone. Actually Ranco already told bullish movement is going to start from here, and after that see bullish movement happened. Means in the Ranco is again a different way to understand the candlestick, and see after that a bullish movement came. Okay, so Ranco candles are like, it is in order. When a red candle came, mostly it is followed by continuous red. If a green comes, it's mostly followed by the green ones. Okay, so in the Ranco if you see the green came, okay, don't take it as a strategy again, because some people might think, okay, can I use this? If I find green in the Ranco, next day there will be a bullish opening, I will go to the candles and I will take an entry. This is just one way to see that, but don't use as exact logic, because who knows, tomorrow something goes here and there, because right, that most of the stocks are driven by the operator and they can do anything, right? Because nowadays Nifty and you can see the stocks are either opening gap up or gap down. Too much of control, right, by the big players. So make sure don't blindly enter until there is no confirmation from the technical analysis. I hope you are clear. Okay, so these are some other things you can explore. We would mostly working on the candles. Okay, then there is a compare button. Compare button will actually help you to compare your stock with respect to other stock or indices. Let's say if I write Nifty, okay, Nifty 50, and I will click see Nifty here. See what will happen. I am comparing the movement of this stock with respect to Nifty. See the Nifty, see here Nifty fall, this stock nothing happened. If Nifty fall, no, nothing happened, right? So we can compare this stock with the Nifty. Okay, this is the one use you can do if you want to compare more. Let's say Nifty is there, then Nifty Bank is there. Let me show you one more example rather than GBP INR. Let me show you SBI. Okay, State Bank of India, and let me add a compare. See, okay, first let me try to show you what happened here. See what is happening here is, see, can you see that? Can you see that? See, here Nifty came to bullish in the beginning itself, right? Means these are the bullish movement of Nifty. And see, after few days, this stock started bullish movement. Okay, let's try to understand more. Just adjust it like this. See, Nifty fall here, like a kind of retracement over here. And say, and the very next days, it started falling, right? So this is the way you can even correlate one stock with Nifty and other stocks, right? This some smart traders do that. Okay, let's say Bank Nifty. Okay, you can add Bank Nifty as well on the same scale. So see, this is the Bank Nifty. See, Bank Nifty is falling, this stock is falling. Bank Nifty goes up, this stock goes up. Bank Nifty, there is a small fall, there is a fall. Bank Nifty, a small up, there is a huge up. Okay, so this is how you can compare. Again, I'm not going to the study, this is just explanation. Let me close this. Okay, next is indicator. How to use the indicator? See, built-in indicators means some indicator made by TradingView itself. So let's say one of the common indicator which we use is volume indicator. Let me close this indicator and let me show you. Go to indicator, click on volume. Okay, so this is the volume indicator which we use, and it shows actually the spike and the movement. Okay, the volume indicators are very important. So from here you will find some out of the box indicator. We mostly not use indicator, one or two we can might in the future while making some setups when I will share. We will just take a confirmation, combine our price action with some of the indicator which is very rare, like some indicators like volume and some indicator like RSI, and we are going to take a trade. Okay, but mostly 99.9% it is a pure price action we are going to trade. Okay, because indicators are slow. Indicator, you can't trade on indicator, you can just take a confirmation on indicator and then you can trade. Okay, you can trade only on your price action, indicator just for supporting your price action model. Okay, so here you can find some sort of indicator. Let me show you, like you want to apply some moving average. This is a very common indicator. So let's say I'm going to apply this moving average. Let's say not here. Click on the settings. Come on. So okay, it's still calculating. See, okay, so moving average. Let me click on this. Let me make a 20 days time frame, black, and this make me red. Okay, click on OK. So this is a moving average. Let's say what is the role of this indicator? Again, we will understand on later, because moving average is nothing but it will explain you the trend. So let's say this above the moving average means the price is in bullish trend. Means you should not look for any short position here. Okay, if a price is below the moving average, you should not look for any long position over here. This kind of thing it will explain. So again, I'm not explaining anything. Please don't ask question in the chat about the moving average and all. This is just I am explaining how to add indicator. Okay, I know some of you already use the indicator in past, but you know that, right? It not work, right? And that's why we are learning here price action. Yes, so don't ask me about the moving average and all. The time will come, I will explain you few indicators you may use along with your price action, but this is not an indicator based training. Okay, where I will simply give you the indicator and uh, it is too late. Indicators are very late, believe me. So this is the one place where you can add the indicator. There are some candlestick patterns you can find over here. Public library, some people create their indicators and share with the public library, and this is the volume profile. Okay, so we will understand these things when the class will go on, and then I will be explaining you more. Okay, this is financials are not currently useful for us. I will explaining later. Template, we don't need template right away. Alert, you can create some alert in trading view. Okay, means for example, if the price will go above this, let's say if the price will open above this, what I want alert. Okay, I will simply create when the price is crossing this horizontal line. What I will do, I will create an alert, and see this alert is created, and I can simply see the alert over here. I can simply see the alerts. Okay, when the alert is active, so alert is executed, it will show in the alert logs. You can close the alert even. Okay, so we will use this alert system. This is very useful because when we draw some sort of patterns, and when the price is giving breakout, we will set a alert before that. So before it's going to give breakout, we're getting an alert and we're taking an entry in that place. Okay, so this is one thing. Then replay bar, I hope you will not get this. This is with the premium. So if I will click on this, okay, it's working. Okay, fine. So replay will give you, means let's say, and you can press shift and arrow, right arrow, and you can see this is how you can simply use this replay button. This is used for back testing. Maybe you can use that. I thought it will come with the premium one, but it is also coming, I think, with the free version also. Okay, fine. And if you want to save some chart, okay, so you can save some chart over here. Let me open some another chart. Let's say some chart on the, let's say, mm, let's say coal India Limited. Okay, so you can see this coal India Limited, right? This is a kind of cup and handle formation. This is the handle of the cup, and when this price will break, possibly the price will go up. Okay, again we have to see, do more analysis to confirm this, but currently with the open eyes I can see that. Okay, anyway, so let's say this is the chart of coal India, and I just did some analysis. Okay, and I want to save this analysis. You can save it here. I will show you it last when I will do some sort of analysis, and I will save it. Okay, this is a full screen mode. You can do the full screen over here. You can press escape button and come out of this, and here you can see snapshot. Okay, this snapshot is used to take the picture of this, and you can save it or share with me while doing the live trading. If you find difficulty, please share with me. I would be able to help you, right? So whenever you somebody is follow my course and they try to um, like need a help on the live market, I just recommend just share the screen like me with your analysis, and I would be helping you there. Okay, so this is about this panel. This panel is clear to you. This is a watch list panel. You can create your own watch list. These are the out of the box watch list is given to you. You can simply remove this watch list like this. I'm removing this like this, and I would be creating my own watch list. I will be explaining you how you can create your wonderful watch list. I have my some watch list of shares which actually work. Okay, and some good shares actually which I do trade from Nifty, and I would be sharing with you. And they are apart from commodity and currency trading I do. Okay. So this is what you can create a watch list. You simply need to, let's say you want to add Cool India over here. Okay, you just simply click plus and you can see Coal India has been added. You can, let me remove this, all of this future forex. Okay, so yes, so this is how I can create a watch list over here. Okay, and I would be seeing that watch list when I'm going to do trade. Okay, again these are some more panels. Okay, this is for price. If you click, price will be hidden. If you see, price will be shown. Okay, this is for the alert, whatever the alert you have. There are some more options that is not for you at this moment of time. Okay, when the time comes, I will be explaining you more. This is idea where you can share your idea. I used to share my idea on the trading view, and still it not happened. My idea will not hit the target whatever I had shown. Anyway, so these are some panels you can use. Apart from this, one more thing you need to do, you need to connect paper trading, because in the beginning I suggest you should do the paper trading. Connect the paper trading account over here, it's free. And yes, it's connected. So you can see the change, the color is changed for this buy and sell is now active, and now you can do the paper trading over here. For example, currently today markets are closed. Okay, so I will show you PTC, because crypto markets are always open. Okay, so you can see this is a crypto market. Let's say, let me go to some small time frame, let's say 1 minute. Let me show you. See see this is a small time frame I went, and let's say just for a testing purpose I want to buy. I will simply place one buy order over here, and you can see this is my profit. And if I want to book the profit, I will close my position. Okay, my position is closed. I will go to the paper trading. I will go to account history, and you can see by default 1 lakh dollar is given to you, and you can see I made just $49 in the trading. Okay, so this is, in the beginning you will use this paper trading at least for 2-3 months, and then you would be doing the real time trading, because at least you should practice first before going to the real market, because real market you do mistakes. Here it's a virtual money. You want, you can reset this money at any time. Here you can see there is a button called reset. Again you will get 1 lakh. Let's say I want 2 lakh, and reset. See, I got 2 lakhs. Okay, so this is a complete virtual platform. You will get an number of, an amount of money, right? Whatever you want, you can just simply get it over here, and you can do the paper trading first and see how you are performing with all the learning and strategy you do. Okay, then next, coming to this, see, this is something, this is important. You can see this is an arrow, this is a dot will show you. Okay, this is arrow, and this is eraser to erase something. Okay, so let it be cross by default, and here you can see this is trend line. Okay, you know, trend line we are going to learn soon in this price action. Okay, so this is a trend line. Okay, I would be explaining more about the trend line. Okay, so this is used for trend line, and again this is, let's say, trend angle is important. I would be explaining the trend angle. Let's say this is 21 degree. Let's say this is 20 degree. If you see this trend, before this was broken, it was 54 degree, right? So this is for trend angle. We would be coming to that later. And this is horizontal line. This is again also important for us. We would be seeing how to mark the horizontal line. Okay, like these are the horizontal line. To generally I use this to mark support and resistance, and like that, and to book my profits. This is vertical lines that I also use. I would be explaining when we are using more. This is just a first class of trading view, so that's why I'm sharing that. Then extended line is just like a trend line, but it's extended up to infinity. See, it's going up to infinity, means to last. Okay, from the beginning. So this is extended line, and this is important. Extended line, trend line, parallel channel. So these we are going to use actually. So let me show you something like that. Yes, so Okay, so you can see this is a kind of channel where the price is actually moving up and down, moving up and down. So I would be explaining more about the channels, how it works. So this is the channel. You can see the price is moving from here. It's whenever it goes here it boosted up, whenever it goes here boosted up, and see, when the price goes up it's face the resistance here. Okay, it face the resistance here. Okay, so these are just an observation I am showing you. Again, the complete explanation, these are the topics, right, we are going to learn. So I'll be explaining about this when we are going through this. Okay, then any questions? Okay. Okay, somebody is asking, can you please draw? Okay, there are a few questions. Somebody is asking, can you please draw this? Okay, let me draw this again. See, this is the button to delete everything. How to do? Just click on this, go to parallel channel, and after this class, guys, I would be unmuting everybody so you can ask your question and I would be answering all of your questions. Okay, so see, like that. Okay, how to draw perfect channel, I would be coming to that, but currently I'm showing how you can use these utilities. Clear, right? Okay. Then what is the next question? Next question is, okay, okay, 1 minute. So you are asking me how you can draw this, like use this angle, right? 1 minute. See, when we will study, I would be explaining you more about this trend angles. See, see, this is the angle, right? It's showing the angle. This is showing the angle, right? You can see 23 degree. Angle itself is a big theory because angle, understanding angle is very important, because if there is a angle, let's say 23 degree, 25 degree, up to 30 degree, those are called safe angles. Means the price, let's say, is moving above this trend line, right? See, price is moving on this trend line, going here, going here, going here, going here, like this. But if the trend angle is something like this, I will explain you. For example, I wish it will not work. Yes, it will only work on the daily time frame. See, if you see this trend angle, see, when the price was moving like this, see, this could be a trend angle. Why not? Right? I would explain. I will show you 1 minute. See, this could be a trend angle, right? From here to here. I'm just connecting this. See, 52 degree. Can you see that? Does price survive? Immediately broke this trend angle. So those trend angles which are very huge angle, okay, like 45, 50, 55, 60, those angles actually did not survive. Those angles who are 19, 20, 15, those angles actually do survive. Okay, so this is important to understand trend angle. Okay, so I would be explaining more about trend angle, okay, when we will understand, because trend angle is important, because whenever we draw the trend line we can't trade all the trends. We have to track, actually trade some limited trend lines. So with that we will decide with the help of trend angle as well. So I'll be explaining there. Okay, clear, right? Who's that? Cephali. Clear, Cephali, right? Okay, thank you. Next, let me. Is something else, guys? And should I continue? Okay. Please report, like, please message in the group, like in the chat, like, should I proceed? Because few participants are, I hope they are not sleeping. Can you please respond on that? Okay, okay. Okay, guys, let's proceed, because this is, I hope, I know this is a kind of boring session on TradingView, because actually this is not a learning, but it is important, right? Because these recordings I would be sharing with you guys, and you can watch this video 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, and actually you can clear your doubt, because especially those people are completely new to the trading, and this is very useful for them. Okay. Okay, then, okay, these things are done. There are some more options I would be explaining when the time permits. Okay. The next is, you can see this is an advanced form, like this is a pitchfork tool. Okay. where I would be see, pitchfork tool is same like a trend line. Okay, because pitchfork tool is again advanced way to understand the trend line, extended line and all. So I would be explaining more about the pitchfork tool, but currently I'm showing how to draw the pitchfork. Okay, then again you can see inside pitchfork is there. Okay, inside pitchfork is also a tool. Like how to draw these tools, I would be coming that, and I would be explaining that moment of time. Okay, and again you can see Fibonacci retracement tool we have. This tool also we are going to use as our support and resistance. Okay, there is a complete theory on Fibonacci and complete trade, actually I can say trading style on Fibonacci I would be explaining in the upcoming class. Let me, then after this there is something called Fibonacci, you can see time zone, that I would be explaining how you can divide the Fibonacci using the Fibonacci time zone, and you can take the trade using Fibonacci time zone. Okay, so you can see this is a breakout of this time zone, and you can see the price continuously moved up. I would be explaining more about this in upcoming sessions. Then yep, Fibonacci channel. Okay, Fibonacci channel is also there. We would be understanding if it is required. Most of the time trend line and all are sufficient enough because these are the advanced versions, okay, of the same. Then this is the drawing tool which I use to draw something. You can use this tool. Okay, let's say eclipse tool. Okay, like this. So you can use this tool to just mark something. This is a text tool if you want to highlight few things. Let's say hello, or let's say my trading chart. Like you want to notify something, I'm going to take long position, short positions. Okay, you can explain it here. Let's say price action monk. Okay, let's say like this, you can explain like this. Then there is again, these are some patterns, x a b c d a b c d. These are some patterns which we study. Okay, I would be explaining how to draw these patterns. Okay, these are also important. Actually it's gives some sort of trade actually. So Elliott web theory also we have. This is a separate, actually I can say advanced trainings, also separate Elliott web trainings. Then again we have long and short positions. Okay, let's say like this. Let's say here I'm going to take a long position, so this will be my stop loss, this would be my target, like this. Okay, so this is used for long position. This is, let's say here I'm going to take a short position, this will be my stop loss, let's say, and let's say this much is my target till here. Okay, so I'm going to take 1 is to 3, 3.31. Okay, so this is important. Then this is date range. It will show you how many days it will take to come here. 1 hour 44 minute, because it's a minute chart. And this is a price range. What is the movement of this price? See, this price movement is 2.33%. So this we are going to measure when we are going to take our positions and using different chart patterns. That moment of time we are going to use that. Okay, let's say this is a head and shoulder pattern. See, because there is a head, I'm showing in the live market, right? See here, there is a head, there is a shoulder. See, let's see, and see, see here the price started falling after the neckline. Okay, so when we will study these patterns we would be actually understanding more. Okay, so this is one thing. And in the price action, right, this is the neckline, right? This is the neckline. Let me create a clone. Right click, create clone, and we should expect let's say this much of target, for example, if it is not a fake out, because sometimes there are some fake outs also happen. So how to verify fake outs? This is a complete system I would be explaining you guys. And yep, that's it about this tool mostly. And if I show you about these are emoji, it's not useful for us. Okay, this is, you can see scale, it will again the same way it measures the price. Okay, but this can be removed when you click somewhere, it is removed. Okay, it's like that. This is magnifier glass, zoom in, zoom out. Okay, and see, this is important. This magnet, not magnet, this one lock. If you lock it, then see your trend line and all will not be moving because it's locked. If you unlock it, see, if I'm moving my trend line, see, if moving my trend line is moving up, right? So this is important. This is very, very important. Okay, so after drawing the pictures, you should lock your screen. Okay, and this is to hide the indicators and drawing. See, if I will click, I can hide my indicators and drawing. And this is to delete. If you click this button, all the things will be deleted. If you press Ctrl Z, all the things would be appearing back to the screen. So this is about this panel. Okay, when slowly we will understand, we will try to that moment of time it will be more clear. Okay, currently we are just looking about this panels, basic panels. Okay, so any question? Okay, so I can see a few guys you have questions. So now let me do one thing. It's almost about to over this class, so I'm going to unmute all of you. Okay, so you can ask your question one by one and I'm going to answer to everyone. So let me first unmute you. Okay, Sefali is asking so many questions, so let me unmute Sefali, then I would be explaining more about okay. Okay, so Sefali, please go ahead. I'm going to unmute you.